Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term a burner phone. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, a burner phone is a prepaid disposable phone used for temporary anonymous communication. People use it when they want privacy or to avoid their main number being traced. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. A burner phone first showed up in the early 2000s with prepaid phones' rise. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among people wanting to protect their privacy or involved in sensitive activities. Now let's check out how to use a burner phone in a sentence. Correct example 1. She got a burner phone to keep her personal number private during the trip. Correct example 2. I bought a burner phone just in case I needed to stay untraceable. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said a burner phone at Sunday dinner and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using a burner phone right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. A burner phone means a prepaid disposable phone used for temporary anonymous communication. It started in the early 2000s, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with a burner phone in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.